We often describe health coaching as like having your own personal cheerleader, and I think that's such a lovely way to describe what we do.
So health coaching is really important in today's world because I think that the whole healthcare profession has struggled for years and years and years to give people lots of different information and products and services and books, so many different protocols to try and get people to improve their health. But actually the results have been that people's health is getting worse. So they're living longer, but they're living less healthily. So we started health coaching in the UK 21 years ago. And we realised that when you bring in a behavioural change approach, so when you coach people and you really find out what's important to them, their values, what's stopping them, their limiting beliefs, and you really get them excited about creating a new future, it's the coaching that's added to healthcare, which is what makes change possible.
So I think health coaching is really important more than ever right now because of the epidemic we've got of both physical and mental health problems, really at levels that we've never seen before. And that's sadly not just in adults, but also in children as well. People are overwhelmed, they're stuck, they just don't know where to start. There's so much misinformation and confusion out there. And so they need a caring, compassionate, practical approach to help them on their journey. We often describe health coaching as like having your own personal cheerleader, and I think that's such a lovely way to describe what we do.
Stats say that only 18% of people are self-motivators. So they come away from a diagnosis or they're stuck, they don't know how to get out of it. So a health coach's role is to support people to make those changes and to recognise making changes is not linear, it goes up and down. So the health coach is there to put in place or support that other person to find the solutions. I mean, that is what coaching is. We ask the right questions and we support the person in front of us to find their own solutions, which makes it real for them. And people can't do it on their own, otherwise they would have done it. I mean, we have clients that have been stuck for 20 years with the guilt of trying to lose weight, and then they see us for 4 weeks and suddenly they have hope for the future. So I mean, health coaching, I've watched it blossom in the last few years into something that is going to continue to grow and is necessary. It's necessary for everyone should have a health coach.
I really believe that health coaches are the missing piece of the puzzle in the healthcare situation currently. We have a unique set of skills, we have the time, we have the passion and the compassion to work with people so that their health can become a reality. I think we're seeing an increase in chronic disease and just a whole lot of people that are just not happy with where they are in the world and where they are with their health. And as health coaches, we can help them whatever it is that they need to change, whether it's getting fitter, eating better, or maybe it's just time management. As health coaches, we can solve that problem and support people through this journey towards better and happier living.
Today's world, we've seen so many changes since the pandemic actually, and coupled with the economic situation, the difficulties within the health service, and what we actually see at the ground level is people taking a real interest in their own health and well-being. And what that means is so many more people want to learn the skills to be a health coach or want the support of a health coach. So it's really important time for the health coaching profession in today's world.